Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create menu items so that you can allow your users to find articles that you've posted in your menu on your site. So first thing we're going to do, you would log in as you normally would, and then we're going to go ahead and go to the menu manager here. And generally for most sites there's a default menu called main menu. And we have one for this particular site we're working with as well. And what you want to do is click on this icon that says Edit Menu Items. And here we see kind of a tree of all the menu items. The first ones with no indentation are main menu items. For example, we have About Us, Calendar, and Commissions. And if we go look at the live site, we have About Us, Calendar, and Commissions. And then the indentations are submenus, and then if you would have submenus of these, then they would be indented twice, just to indicate kind of the hierarchy of the menus there. So to add a new menu item, we go up to the top here and click New. And then if we are, here's a whole list of all the possible things we can link to with our menu items. But what we're interested in is just linking to articles to create or make pages available to your users. So we're going to click Articles, and then we want to click Article Layout. It says here the article layout displays a single article, and that's what we want to use. Click that. Okay, now we give it the menu item a title, and this is what's going to be displayed in your menu on your site. So let's do something generic, menu item, and then here you can choose a parent item. If you use top, that's going to be displayed in your main actual navigation bar, and it'll be displayed all the time on your site, depending on how it's set up. But then within each of the main items, you have Home, again, About Us, Calendar, Commissions, etc. You just choose where you want your menu to go. So we'll say we'll put it under the About Us section of your menu. There's a few other things here that we won't worry about right now, but we can there's just a few things you need to do to actually get it done. So we do a title, where we want it to be, and then finally we have to select what we want to link to. So I'm going to scroll through here, find my page about nothing, and then I will go ahead and click Save. So now, as you can see, under the About Us heading here, it's going to show me that I have my new menu item here called Menu Item. So I can go over to my site, and if I refresh my page, then I go to the About Us section, and there is my new menu item called Menu Item. I'll click on that, and here was my page about nothing. So that's how you add a menu item to link to articles in your website. Let's do one more thing. We'll switch back to the administration panel here, and let's say we want to move this to a different area. So then what I would do is click my menu item here, and I decided instead of being under About Us, I want it to go under the Commissions. For example, then I would just choose a different place here. I don't have to do anything else, and everything else will link up just fine. And I'll click Save, and then I can go back to my home page, and then here's the menu item moved over to the Commissions menu. So that's how you create menu items to link to articles that you create.